flat 20% off on our entire German silver collection. Be it a fusion piece, German silver chokers, earrings, necklace, kids jewelry, anything, stackable bangles, nose pin, everything we are giving flat 20% off. Today it's our annual edit which is on 28th and 21st of September. The timings are 11 to 7. The exhibition is our Tiara store which is located at Navran Circle. The address would be given at the caption. If any problem, the number is also given. We'll share the location to visit us. Now swipe left. We have kids jewelry as well. They are so simple and elegant, skin friendly. We have options for them. We have a huge range. See, थोड़े colors. ये सारे brass पे है. They are very lightweight also, Surbhi. Right, we have in thread. We have bangles for them. They are in size of 2-4, 2-6.
So kids માટે પણ options છે.
My favorite ring, statement ones. These are like pure silver look like pieces. These are our little big ones. Two tones, fusions, huge variety. सिंपल कॉइन इस टाइप के भी बहुत लोगों को पसंद है. मैं इतनी एग्जीबिशंस करती हूँ तो सब मुझे एक आइडिया आ गया कि इसको क्या क्या पसंद आ सकता है. सी दिस इज डबल इयररिंग्स. वी हैव एवरीथिंग. अ बंच ऑफ घुंघरूज, कलर स्टोन्स
and so much more.
ह्यूज रेंज ऑफ बैंगल्स. सुरभि, ये टू टोन, ये सारे नए डिजाइन हैं. मेरे पास जितने भी बैंगल्स अभी है लिमिटेड है बट बहुत खूबसूरत पीसेस है. नॉट टू बी मिस्ड. बैंगल्स अभी स्टैकिंग के लिए भी बहुत कस्टमर्स को चाहिए तो वी हैव अ ह्यूज ऑप्शंस. आप देख सकते हो वी हैव पार्टलास आर स्टैक दिस वे. खुद के पास हो और अपने दो बैंगल्स ले लो. वी हैव अ गुड ऑप्शंस. These are my favorite silver look like कोल्हापुरीज. कभी भी पहनो. टू टोन में necklaces. This is my hot favorite section. It's very different, classic silver look like. पूरा सिल्वर का घाट के ऊपर we have designed it. We have thread pendant also. चेन नहीं पसंद है तो we have katlas in silver look like. Pendants, neck pieces. And we have left with few only because season is ending and get flat 20% off. Now I'm going to show you our forever pieces जो कभी भी साड़ीज के ऊपर पहन लो. नवरात्रि तो है ही. सूट्स के ऊपर स्टेटमेंट पीसेस, लॉन्ग पीसेस. See, these are so delicate and different. It's just not Navratri but any time you can carry. Tiara वर्क्स ऑन ज्वेलरी जो कभी भी पहन सको. वी डोंट वांट कि ये आपके वार्डरोब पे ही ऐसे रहे. दीज आर आवर चोकर्स, नेक पीसेस. नाउ आई एम शोइंग यू आवर चोकर्स which we have in wide options with घुंघरूस. In this 2025 Navratri, we have given more focus on pearl, latkan, घुंघरूस. They are lightweight, they are delicate, they are versatile. See, this is our forever Haslika eyeliner and very different piece. Right. We have more than 500 options in earring. These are very lightweight, can be worn on Navratri and ethnic dresses as well. They are super light. We have different type of earrings, statement ones. See the lotus, elephant, classy pieces in green, pink, blue. We have a huge range of tops, small earrings, latkan, two-tone studs, jhumkas. Different type of jhumka here. With घुंघरूस, they are super lightweight, kundan motif. These are my hot favorite. You see, these are so elegant and versatile earrings with colorful beads in the latkans, घुंघरूस. fusion pieces. The hot favorite design is this for mine. Jhumkas, ghungroos, beautiful earrings and jhumkas, latkans, plain silver look like. We have everything for everyone. I've got a wide range of pendants this time at store, which I am not able to showcase at our exhibitions every time. So please do visit for these little pendants. We have statement ones also with good Italian chain. See, we have got color options. There are so many options for kids also. कुछ छोटा छोटा kids को पहनाना है. See, we have very different options for kids as well.
And huge varieties to choose from. अमुक earrings पण છે.
These all are quite a set के साथ है.
हाँ.
See, these all are silver look like classy pieces.
Right. So that is about the pendants.
Yeah, there are huge varieties. We have color options, we have huge designs in it. Ahmedabad, if you can't drop by any chance at Tiara store, we have few collection on our website which is little different from our
Regular one.
regular मतलब store और website के designs अलग है. But I'm showing you few which are in our website. Check the design. And if you like, COD हम कर देंगे cash on delivery in Ahmedabad.
Website क्या है ID उसका?
It's www.tiaratrends.com. We have mentioned on the
Caption as
caption
well.
as well.
Right. So these are the designs के जो तुम्हें
We have
online पर shop
more
कर सकते.
displayed few.
Right. And if you are an NRI, if you want to shop online, website to check. But then you see why we have given contact number as well. You can connect with them directly too. I'll definitely recommend if you can, do visit the store. But if you can't, shop online.
Let's start with our exclusive pieces. Statement German silver jewelry. These are our one of the kind pieces which are very different and one of the kind. They are running very fast. So please do visit as soon as possible. It's like you are getting the best pieces on 20% flat off. See, these are silver look like. ये पूरा statement है. ये धागे के ऊपर है बंधाई. This is for कांच बंधाई. Bold look, Kolhapuri pieces, stone necklaces, two-tone neck pieces, heavy silver look like coin and long piece, with ghungru of course and colorful kanch necklace.